I'll be giving a demo of a Chrome extension that I built, which can be used to fetch the complaints about any RERA project from Karnataka RERA website, and this can be extended to other RERA websites also. So I'll take the project Sobha Dreammakers Oasis. I just need to get the RERA number and select it. Then right click it. There's a context menu to fetch RERA summary for this number. When I click on it, it shows this input box where I can correct the RERA number and then fetch summary. So when it is getting called, there is a Flask API in the backend that will actually scrape the RERA website, and all the data, all the complaints will be stored locally. It's going to be stored in a JSON file here in complaints, which is just created. And here you have all the metadata like the complaints, then summary. For very less number of complaints, the strings are just concatenated, and for like higher number of complaints, we'll get a AI summary. So this is just a string concatenation about the different complaints here. Now we have also called Gemini API, if you see below. And this summary was created for a project which had more number of issues. So you can see the instructions, it used the RERA API and then how it get the data. In the browser, we are able to see the request was completed in 25 seconds, and the major complaints that we saw in the console, the same is formatted in markdown format here. So we can see refund issues, delays, formation of association, OC, maintenance charges, and others. And what are the most problematic projects based on sample data? So we have other projects also from the same promoter that shows what issues are commonly faced by people, what risks are there for the promoter, and these are all verified RERA complaints pulled from the portal, and that is what is used to be summarized here. So that tells about what you can fetch about any project. And for the sake of completion, I'll also pick another project. So there is a mapping that I need to currently maintain because of some limitations of RERA. So I'll just take another RERA number that is supported, and this is the internal project ID of RERA. So I do not have a way to get it externally. That's why I need to just fetch this. And now I will call for this API again. This particular project of Casa Grande is not present in my app, like local data. It is going to fetch here, and you can see the API is getting called here. So in 15 seconds, we have now the different facts about the same, the different project like Casa Grande Garden City. So the different projects here are also mentioned here. This is all fetched in real time and summarized using Gemini 2.0 Flash. And then now if we hit the same API, let's go back to the previous API for Sobha Dreammakers. So this is the promoter RERA, and I'll put in the previous value. Now it is loaded from cache because we want to avoid the multiple API calls in Gemini Flash being expensive. So we don't need to do that again, and the same can be called any number of times. And that's implemented